Welcome, my name is John Miller. I'm the president of Valley Truck and Tractor Company. Valley Truck and Tractor was established in 1948 by my father, Henry Miller Sr., as an international harvester dealership. We had two stores, one in Marysville and the other one in Sacramento, until 1960. In 1960, we sold the Sacramento store back to International Harvester and continued to operate as an International Harvester dealer until 1985. In 1985, with the demise of International Harvester, which sold off to J.I. Case Company, there were two stores in the town at that point in time, ourselves and a Case Company-owned store. The Case people decided to keep the Case Company-owned store, and so they ended up buying Valley Truck and Tractor out of the International Harvester contract. We took the money and went across the street and bought the John Deere dealership at that time in 1985. Valley Truck and Tractor is basically a family-owned and run business with 3 generations of current owners and family members operating and running the stores.